Welcome to Deep Dive into Origin, a decentralized portfolio management program built on the Polygon blockchain. In this video, we'll explore how Origin leverages Web3 technologies to decentralize data ownership and empower users. Web3, as an umbrella term, refers to a new generation of internet applications that prioritize decentralization, transparency, and user control. Like traditional internet models, where centralized entities manage your data, Web3 applications like Origin use blockchain technology to ensure that control remains in the hands of the community. With Polygon as its foundation, Origin connects users to Ethereum-compatible projects, offering a secure and innovative environment for managing digital assets. Let's begin by understanding the key concepts and features that set Origin apart in the world of decentralized finance. Origin stands out as a 100% decentralized project with no centralized control over your funds. There are no joining packages, withdrawal mechanisms, or fund locking, and users enjoy zero-day staking with no minimum or maximum unstake limits. The lgns token, central to the platform, is not pre-mined and is only available on decentralized exchanges like QuickSwap. Security is a top priority, with full chain audits by CRTIK and treasury contract audits by ARMORS. Supporting wallets include TP Wallet and Bitget Wallet, ensuring flexibility and accessibility. These features collectively create a transparent, user-centric environment where you maintain full control over your assets, free from traditional restrictions and centralized oversight. One of the most attractive aspects of Origin is its staking mechanism. Users can stake lgns tokens and receive rewards 3 times a day, with each rebase offering a return between 0.2% and 0.4%. This means you can potentially earn around 0.6% daily. Thanks to the power of auto-compounding, your rewards are automatically added to your principal, allowing your balance to grow exponentially over time. For example, staking 100 lgns could grow your wallet balance to 170 in 3 months, 295 in 6 months, and up to 900 in a year. This system is designed to maximize returns while maintaining simplicity and transparency, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Origin also offers a robust referral and DAO reward system. By introducing new users and maintaining a minimum balance, you can unlock multiple levels of income through the spiderweb structure. The DAO rewards are structured in tiers, with increasing percentages of team rewards as you progress. This incentivizes community growth and active participation, ensuring that benefits are distributed fairly among contributors. The project emphasizes education and transparency, reminding users that all participation is at their own risk and should be done after consulting financial advisors. With its decentralized framework and community-driven rewards, Origin positions itself as a forward-thinking platform in the evolving Web3 landscape. In summary, Origin represents a new era of decentralized finance, combining the security and transparency of blockchain with user-centric features and community rewards. From flexible staking and auto-compounding to a robust referral system and DAO incentives, the platform is designed to empower users while maintaining full decentralization. Remember, all information provided is for educational purposes only, and it's important to consult with financial advisors before making any investment decisions. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Origin and the future of Web3. We wish you the best in your journey through decentralized finance.